Hello TMJ Disorder sufferers, this is Simon the Shiatsu Guy here with my video tips series for people with TMJ and how to manage their TMJ symptoms. So this sort of series of videos is going to be on self-care, so basically how you can look after yourself. The very first video tip I want to share with you is basically a self-massage technique. You can be quite gentle with this but firm, so you don't want to basically bruise anything because you're going to be working on your face and particularly the muscles of the jaw on the side of the head. So this muscle, the masseter, attaches down here, comes up underneath the cheekbone and then kind of fans out across the side of the head. So what you're going to do is you can do both at once or one at a time. You're basically going to massage into these muscles firmly but gently. You don't want to cause pain, but what you're looking for is tension in the muscles that you can release. So you can sort of feel it as you go. Some areas are going to be more tender than others. Then you know, we'll spend more time working on the tender points. You can also work into the temple here, but then also through this big thick bunch of muscle here, which is often quite tight. You can kind of work with your thumbs down either side. This one you probably need to work on both sides. If you're working on one side, you can press the jaw out, and that's not very nice. So you kind of want to keep it balanced. You can use your fingers, you can use your thumbs, whatever kind of works for you. You can also get into the front of this muscle, kind of pushing in this way, and that will stretch that muscle and kind of give you a bit of relief as well. And you can work along underneath the jawbone because the top of the jaw, when you open, kind of comes through there. You can kind of feel it if you press there. Also, if you get your thumbs into the base of your skull, they can get quite tight in there. And as we know now, that posture affects TMJ tension. And then also, you know, the side and back of the neck. You can do the same thing with your thumbs. Get into the side of the neck, and also into the back of the neck just by changing angle. And also this big muscle here at the top of the shoulder can be quite hard to get your own sort of, you know, to work on your own shoulders, but you can either sort of hook your hand and let it hang in there, kind of work into the points, particularly this point here is quite a powerful one. And then also you can do with a floppy wrist, you can kind of pummel yourself in there, and that kind of loosens up that muscle with the impact. So just kind of work through that. So you've got this muscle here underneath the cheekbone, down the jaw, underneath the cheekbone, base of the skull, side and back of the neck, and then top of the shoulder. So there are all some muscles that you can massage just to get some relief, and that should help with some of that tension in those muscles. Alright, until next time, see you soon.